In today's video, we're reviewing PandaDoc, one of the most popular document automation platforms for businesses that want to simplify proposals, contracts, and e-signatures. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you're tired of juggling multiple tools to create, send, and track business documents, this might be the platform that finally brings it all together. Whether you run a startup agency or small business, documents are at the center of almost everything, from onboarding clients to closing deals, but traditional tools like PDFs and email attachments can be clunky and slow. PandaDoc promises to fix that by giving you a modern all-in-one workflow for creating and managing documents digitally. Let's break down what it is, how it works, and whether it's worth it for your business. So let's start off with the basics. What is PandaDoc? PandaDoc is a cloud-based document automation platform that helps you create, send, sign, and manage digital documents all in one place. It's used by sales teams, freelancers, HR departments, and service-based businesses to streamline their paperwork, from proposals and contracts to invoices and onboarding forms. The goal is to look more professional and close deals without the back and forth. Instead of creating documents in Word, converting them to PDF, and emailing them around, you can design and send everything directly inside PandaDoc. Recipients can sign instantly, and you'll get notified the moment they do. It's basically the modern way to handle paperwork, one that feels clean, fast, and reliable. Now let's talk about what makes PandaDoc different, because let's be honest, there's a ton of e-signature and proposal tools out there, but PandaDoc stands out because it's more than just a signing tool. While platforms like DocuSign or HelloSign focus on collecting signatures, PandaDoc goes a step further by helping you create the entire document with built-in templates, drag and drop editing, content libraries, and integrations for payment collection. It's designed for businesses that want full control over their documents, from branding to tracking analytics. You can see when a client opens your proposal, how long they've viewed each section, and whether they've signed it or not. That insight helps you follow up strategically and close deals faster. PandaDoc also integrates with popular tools like HubSpot, Salesforce, Zoho CRM, and QuickBooks, so your documents automatically sync with your existing systems. That saves time and eliminates manual data entry. In short, it's not just about signing documents, it's about managing the entire document lifecycle. Now let's go ahead and talk about the main key features. So first off is the document builder. So PandaDoc includes a drag and drop editor that lets you create professional documents from scratch or start with one of their templates. You can add text blocks, pricing tables, images, videos, and signature fields in seconds. The editor feels like using Canva meets Google Docs. It's flexible, clean, and intuitive. If you send a lot of similar proposals, you can create templates once and reuse them for future clients, which is going to save you a ton of time. Next is e-signatures. So the e-signature functionality is what makes PandaDoc so popular. Clients can sign instantly from any device, no downloads, no extra steps. Each signature is legally binding and compliant with US and international standards like eSign and GDPR, so you don't have to worry about any legal issues. You get real-time notifications when a document is viewed or signed, so you always know where things stand. Next is the content library. So the content library is a huge time saver for teams that reuse sections of documents. You can store approved content like pricing details, testimonials, or brand statement and drag them into new documents whenever you need. This is going to help you maintain brand consistency across all your proposals and contracts while keeping your workflow efficient. Next, let's talk about pricing tables and payments. So one standout feature is PandaDoc's interactive pricing tables. Instead of sending static PDFs, you can send a live proposal where clients can select items, adjust quantities, and see the total update in real time. And if you want to collect payment right away, PandaDoc integrates with Stripe, PayPal, and other processors, so clients can pay you directly from the document. This turns your proposal into a complete sales funnel, from pitch to payment, all in one place. Next is analytics and insights. So PandaDoc provides detailed analytics for every document you send. You can see when it was opened, how much time the recipient spent on each section, and whether they shared it internally. These insights help you understand client behavior and follow up at the perfect moment. For example, if someone viewed your pricing section multiple times but hasn't signed, that's a strong signal that they're interested but need reassurance. Next is integration and automation. So PandaDoc connects with over 40 major tools, including CRM platforms, payment processors, and cloud storage apps. So you can integrate it with HubSpot, Salesforce, Pipedrive, Zoho CRM, Slack, Google Drive, and so much more. For teams already using automation tools like Zapier or Make, PandaDoc can easily fit into your workflow, automatically creating and sending documents based on triggers like new leads or deals. Now, let's touch on some of the pros and cons so you can decide if it's a good fit for you. So the biggest strength of PandaDoc is that it's truly all-in-one. You can build, send, sign, and track professional documents in a single workflow. It's intuitive for both sender and recipients, and the design tools make the documents look clean and modern. No more clunky PDFs. The integration options are another major advantage. Whether you're using HubSpot, Salesforce, or QuickBooks, PandaDoc plugs right in and automates most of the busy work. The only downsides are that it can feel like overkill for small teams that just need basic signatures, and some of the advanced analytics features are only available on the higher tiered plans. That being said, the entry-level version covers everything most small businesses need. Okay, now let's talk about the plans and pricing options. So we do have a link down in the description below if you want to check that out. I'm just going to go ahead and navigate to pricing. You can pay monthly or annually, but I'm going to talk about the annual plans because that's how you can get the best price possible and save up to 46%. Okay, so they've got a couple plans here. As you can see, they actually do have a free plan. You don't even have to add your credit card. And with this, you get 60 docs for free per year, rich media drag and drop editor, real-time tracking and notifications, and then 24/7 email and chat support. Then they've got the starter plan, which is $19 per month per seat, paid annually. With this, you get unlimited document uploads, rich media drag and drop, real-time tracking and notifications, and 24/7 email and chat. Then we've got the most popular plan, which is the business, which is $49 per month per seat, paid annually. And then with this, you get everything in the starter, but you also get custom quotes and sales agreements, CRM integrations, custom branding, deal rooms, approval workflows, web forms, and bulk send. And lastly is the enterprise plan, but you do have to contact them directly. You get everything in the business plan, but you get other things like configure price quote, workflow automation, smart content, single sign-on, API, and team workspace, and more. So choose a plan that best fits your needs, but you could always sign up for the free plan, click around and see if you enjoy the process and see if it fits into your workflow. Before we wrap up, I just wanted to talk about a few bonus tips you can get the most out of PandaDoc. Number one is to start by building your foundation with templates. Before sending anything out, spend a few hours creating your core document templates, things like proposals, contracts, onboarding forms. Then you want to add your logo, colors, and consistent formatting so everything feels branded and professional. Number two is to connect your favorite tools early. Don't wait until later to set up integrations. If you already use HubSpot, Zoho, Salesforce, or QuickBooks, connect them right away. That way your client information and pricing details automatically flow into PandaDoc without manual entry. It's going to keep the data accurate and keep you from typing the same info repeatedly. Even connecting Google Drive or Slack can simplify how you manage files and get notifications. Number three is to use variables to automate client information. So variables in PandaDoc act like placeholders for names, dates, prices, and other details that change from client to client. Once you set them up in your templates, PandaDoc automatically fills them in whenever you send a new document. It makes your workflow faster and nearly error-proof. No more accidentally sending a proposal with the wrong client name. Number four is to learn to read your analytics like a salesperson. The analytics inside aren't just nice to have data, they're really powerful insights. Check when a client opens your document, how long they spend on each page, and whether they revisit it. If you see someone looking at your pricing section multiple times, that's a great moment to follow up. And lastly, turn your proposals into payment links. If your business requires upfront deposits or down payments, enable the built-in payment option. When clients can sign and pay in the same place, it eliminates friction and speeds up your cash flow. It's one of the most underrated features in PandaDoc, and it can literally shorten your sales cycle by days or even weeks. So, should you choose PandaDoc? If you're looking for a reliable way to create, manage, and sign business documents without constant back and forth, PandaDoc is one of the best options on the market. It's great for small to medium-sized businesses, agencies, and freelancers who want to save time and impress clients with professional, interactive proposals. Even if you're just starting out, learning to use PandaDoc early on sets you up for long-term efficiency as your business scales. It replaces messy email threads with one clean, trackable system, and that alone can transform your workflow. As a personal note, I know how frustrating it can be to deal with endless contracts, revisions, and lost email attachments, but tools like PandaDoc exist to make that process simpler and more professional, so you can focus on running your business instead of chasing paperwork. If you're ready to upgrade your workflow and start sending documents that actually close deals, use our exclusive link down in the description below and get signed up and even try out the free version for yourself. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content and reviews just like this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, And of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to reviewing tools that help businesses run smarter, from automation software to client management platforms. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.